Alright, God, we dropping her off, man. And wait, hope I hear some good news.
Yeah,
Check out my
doing lifestyle, doing lifestyle. I got a box too, got an ace on it, got another box Chevy too. Yeah, I need y'all. I need y'all. Got a box Chevy 2 with the order 28. Subscribe to my channel, you can check out my page. Got an 87 box Chevy 2, yeah, it's great. Had a truck on 30 man, I think it was an 8. Oh yeah, man, I forgot the colors. I was thugging, yeah, up in the colors. He was bucket, my driveway was flooded. I was hustling, we turned nothing to something. Hit that button, hit that button, post notification, hit that button, subscribe the channel, hit that button, hit that button, hit that button.
At first, I was thinking that it could be my my fuel injectors, right? At first, I was like, man, it could be my fuel injector clogged up. But I would know if I crank them up. When I crank it up fine. And then when I hit on the gas in neutral, or if it's in park, it get the gas, it's getting gas. But my issue is not pulling. Like right now, it's sluggish. Like it don't
turn right onto Service Drive.
And I don't think it's just my transmission. And my transmission not slipping, and it's not like out as if that motherfucker don't just work no more. We're gonna see what it is, and then we just gonna go from there, man. All right, guys, so we're here at the transmission shop, man. We're gonna out here at the shop. Dun, dun. All right. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, y'all have a good one.
You too.
All right. All right, God, we dropping her off, man. And wait, hope I hear some good news. Be bad or good. Goddamn, either way I go, I gotta find out what's good. All right, gang. So I got this little mic thing that I had purchased. Pretty sure y'all can hear me good. So I had actually purchased this for my other video. I mean my other channel. But I'm gonna put it to use today. I just gotta see how I'm gonna do this. Let me see. Okay. All right, y'all. So right now, man, I'm finna check my throttle body. I am gonna take it up there to O'Reilly. I got, matter of fact, I got a flashlight. So this is what we're gonna be using. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all, but like that. Ooh. Ooh, wee. Okay, so it is 3 bolts. All right, guys, so I'm gonna remove it now. All right. Ooh. All right, y'all. Exactly. Damn, that motherfucker is dirty. Man, look at all this shit, man. Look how dirty that motherfucker is. I'm gonna be a little sideways. Okay, there we go. It's a lot of little gunk stuff, but we're gonna have to try to clean this shit some kind of way. So yeah, we're gonna have to try to clean this some kind of way. Come off anyway. Like I said, I want to take a step forward before I take a step. Well, I want to take this step before I take another step.
See all this shit? Let me see if y'all can see. Y'all see all that? Alright guys, so I got it clean as possible. Get in the light. I got it clean as possible, man. Like I said, this the back side right here.
What it do, guys? Hey, now we are changing the map flow sensor. This is one of another sensor that I haven't changed. So I just feel like I'm gonna go ahead and change this, man. This is what she look like. All right, so got the new map flow sensor. We're gonna try that. I know a lot of y'all might be like, man, come on, man. Look, I gotta just keep trying. I'm not gonna give up on this car. I'm not gonna do that, you know. So we all different. Some people gonna quit and up and get rid of it. Some people gonna turn the whole thing down, but it's really hard to find people that can, you know what I'm saying, put their eyes on it or whatever. But, you know, a lot of people just be busy, man. So I feel like until I get ready to find somebody that I can take it to, I'll do that. But before I go spend a lot of money, I'd rather, you know, figure it out. Cause like they say, it can be something simple, man. It can be the simplest thing that can make your car run like crap. The simplest thing. But that's what a lot of people be doing. Like, you know, when something wrong with their car, they take it straight to a dealership or straight to another spot, and it can be something simple, but hell, they're gonna charge y'all arm and leg. Just say if it was my map flow sensor, a $40 part that I could have took if I was to take it to a place. 9 out of 10, they're gonna charge me about $250, $300. All because of the labor. They feel like the labor, they had to take the screws off, they had to do that, then they had to go get the part, then they had to do that, they had to put it on, they had to test drive the car. You're gonna spend about $250. But if you can do it yourself, you can watch YouTube, get on YouTube, do it yourself, and try to figure it out first. You always want to figure something out first. But like I said, I did take my car before up there to the get the scanner on there. Them people didn't know what they were talking about. We brought somebody else out there. They ain't even know what they were talking about. I fucked around, went to Vance. And it was all in one day. I went to Vance. They were taking all day. He was coming out there. He didn't even know whether to leave the engine on or leave it off or whatever. Then he was like, just kept pushing buttons. Like, he kept, let me see. And I was like, oh my goodness, man. Where's the damn, why is they in the places they don't even know what they doing or know nothing about cars? All right, guys, we're gonna go down the street real quick. All right. Try it one more time. Should have gone and grab some gas, man. See, so I might well go and put a 20 in there. Normally when I put gas in here, I really don't be putting no major amount. So again, there can be another issue also. I don't know, I'm just saying. Cause like when I hit on the gas, she go down to E. And she go down to E, I know that gauge moving. And then that's when she'll like start like backfiring almost like, you know how a car, y'all know how a car is when y'all running on fumes and she get the backfiring and pop, 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 like not enough gas. So I don't know if it's just one of them things that, hey, I'm running off fumes. good and hot. Real quick. Hey, she pulling now. I promise you she is. When I get them 410, it's a route. It's a route. She's pulling, dog. Yes, sir. We finna see something else, man. All right, y'all can get my reaction real quick. And y'all can get a little glimpse on of the Chevy. What I'm gonna do, so when I'm driving, it's right here right now, so I'm guessing that's where I'm at, but it's like when I hit on it, I don't know if that float goes down as if I don't got enough gas, which was causing it to bog a lot. Okay. Shift out of first. Boom. But you see she going out of E. But I'm stomping on it, she going. I hit it to the flow. She good. Dog. That bit ride. But hey, when I get home though, I don't know. When I turn her off, she might not act like she wanna act, you know what I'm saying? I don't know yet. Maybe she just had to warm up, but this motherfucker, hey. I changed my rear end now, really. Right now, like I said, she got 373, but with the 30s on there, you know, the ratio go down. So it's probably giving it too much of it's losing all the strength, basically, to try to pull these big wheels. But if I get 410s, I'm pretty sure she gonna take off. But I don't know if she'll. Let me see if I can hold the brake down. See what she'll do if I can hold the brake down. Okay. She responding a little bit. She got a little more kick to her now. She responding a little bit now. She kind of waking up a little bit. Only thing I can tell now is only thing I'm gonna do now. Like, I ain't trying to get too excited, cause I know how this motherfucker car is. But only thing I'm gonna do now, y'all, For one, I'm glad she's spinning over. Like the tires a little bit. I'm glad she's spinning over. Cause she couldn't do that at first. But one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change my rear end out. When I do that, I already know she gonna be power when I do that. And if y'all new to the channel, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I'm excited now. I'm okay. I'm happy. But like I said, what we're gonna do in the meantime, we just gonna let her warm up. I mean, we're gonna let her cool off, and then we're gonna crank her back up, and we're gonna get back in there, and we're gonna hold the brake down, hit the gas, and kind of see if she gonna do that again when she cool. And then after that, let me see. After that, Drake. After that, I'm gonna get the price of 4 10s.